Even though I want you to see how loving is with me, I can't let you get the best. I forgot to do an intro, you guys. I'm sorry. Right here, I'm washing the wig with Shimmer Light shampoo. This shampoo helps with brassiness. When you bleach the knots, it tends to get a little brassy depending on the developer that you're using. So I'm just showing you guys how orange the knots are. And over time, as I wash it, it starts to be a little more neutral. So I'm about to pluck my hair, and I'm molding my hair back so that it's out the way. And when you're plucking, your tweezers need to be pointed at a downward angle so that you don't tear your lace while you're plucking. So I'm just plucking so that I get a more natural hairline throughout the wig, and this takes a while, so I sped up the process. And then I'm going to show you guys the difference between both sides. Excuse my jailhouse braids. I tried to braid up my little bald-headed ass head, y'all. So I'm going to take, y'all seen me put my cap on before, but I'm going to take some, I'm going to take some I Got to Be Glued, squeeze some out, put it around my hairline so that the cap sticks to it when I put it on. Because I keep having the problem of my cap wanting to lift off my head, which makes my lace start lifting because I haven't been applying my cap as good as I could because I'll be rushing all the damn time. So this install, I'm taking my time, like taking my precious time, because I've had a time with this install. I've dealt with rude ass bitches trying to get my hair done, so I just decided to do it myself, as I always do, because it's free 99 and I don't have to deal with nobody's attitude but my own, okay? Because these Atlanta hairstylists be acting straight fucking bougie for no reason. And it's like, I know I'm not Nicki Minaj or Beyonce, but would you do them like that? No. They're fucking humans too. They just got status. And they just really treat people like they're fucking nothing. Unless you got a name for yourself to them. In their mind. And my little old self apparently has no clout. But that's okay. I don't want any. But anyway, so I'm just gonna put that all around. And y'all know the rest. I'm just gonna get my Got To Be spray, my freeze spray. Spray all around, spray the back, sit under the dryer, put foundation on to make this mimic more so of my scalp up here. Even though my scalp is really light. I'm gonna put a little foundation powder on. Just this, my NYX little powder, and then put she on. She right here. And I'll be back to show you guys how I install my wig. Before I put my wig on, I am going to brush all the hair back. So I was trying to be all professional and, you know, have my ring light on, but it doesn't want to work, so. Alright. So the glue I'm using today is going to be Boat Hold. I went and bought me some more because I'm assuming that my Boat Hold Active that I've been using is all dried out because, I mean, I don't have a top on it and it's not holding like it used to. And I never really tried the original Boat Hold, so we're gonna try this out. Cause I don't know if that's my issue or not. So I already put foundation on my cap, as you can see. It's a mirror below me, so that I will be in focus, unlike last time when some stuff you couldn't see. I'm gonna make sure I'm in focus this time. And I'm just taking my scissors and cutting off the excess cap. Trying to make sure I don't cut off my edges. Please do not cut off your edges because it is possible. Because as you're pulling up the cap, you're pulling up your own hair with it if you're cutting close to your hairline like I am. My hairline starts about here. But yeah, so just cutting this off. Voila. And I'm gonna make sure to cut some off from around my ears because I do not need all of that around my ear. And I have a short haircut, so I don't really mind cutting my hair. But I advise anybody who does mind to be very, very careful. Because it is very possible to pull up the cap and cut your hair. Even though you may think, oh, it's a cap, I'm cutting just the cap. No, sis. You're gonna get ready to take your install out and have clumps of your hair out too. Because you done cut your hair off with that damn cap. And then you're gonna be sitting there fucking mad because you didn't listen to me. Alright, so this is what the back looks like. Hopefully you saw that. Got to be skin protectant. And I'm gonna take a napkin out of my Chick-fil-A bag. And I'm going to put some protectant along my hairline and let that dry for a little bit. Putting it all over because this is a full lace unit. So I'm putting it all over. And I'm gonna take my wig. Make sure it's dry on the inside, and it is. It's wet all over the outside though. Sit it on my head just so I can get an idea of how it's gonna fit. And as you can see, I may need to cut some of this cap off right here some more because the wig might show all of that. Might not, but we're not taking any chances here. So I'm gonna go back, lift up a little bit more of this cap and cut off more right there along the side. Because the back is already pretty high up. This is a very small wig cap. Normally where I get my wigs from, they sell medium, but I think that's a small cap. But it's easy. I'm just gonna lift more of that up. Cut that off. Simple. Alright, so we're gonna let this layer dry, and then I'm gonna put another layer on the back, and then we're gonna put our wig on, girl. Time to put her on, y'all. I'm scared. I'm nervous. So what I'm gonna do first is cut a slit in the ear tab part so that it goes around my ear easier. And I'm gonna make sure there's no little hairs in my way once I put it on, and make sure nothing is sticking to my fingers. And I'm just scratching the back, making sure it's in the glue. And I'm pulling tight so that I'm just pulling it around my ear, combing it, lace into the glue, and do the same thing. The same thing with the back. Alright, so get the dryer, put it on low. But that white residue is going to dry, you guys. But as you can see, it's on my head. And I'm just gonna keep cutting around the perimeter of my head, and I'll be back to show you guys how I lay it down with my hot comb and then do my baby hairs. I just glued this side down. So you can come in. So it's gonna be white for right now, but I think I want a side part. I'm gonna take my hot comb, golden hot. Got it from the hair store. I need a new one though because this one I have to leave it sitting for a very, very long time before it heats up. I'm about to go to my son's parent-teacher conference that I forgot about. It's like 1:30 right now, and he normally gets home from school at 4, and he has a house key, so when he came home and walked through the door, I'm sitting here like, dang, it took me that long to do my hair. But then I realized it's early to release day, and he got out early for today. I fucking forgot. All right, so this side, I want it plucked a little more. So I'm just gonna go through. And like I said, it glue. It's gonna dry eventually. Oh, I have carpal tunnel syndrome. My hands are locking up on me. Oh, it hurts so bad. It's like my middle finger. Every time I try to curl it up, it bends downward and locks. That's why I don't do hair for other people, because I have that problem. And I know a lot of hairstylists do. Like, I used to do hair all the time, every day, faithfully. And my hands used to do that. And it hurts so bad. Okay, so see after I pluck it. I'm gonna show y'all a trick that I do with spray, cause I like for my part to be really neat, but I don't like a part that's too close together. But when you spray it, make sure you don't use something as small as this. Like this is too small. You need something with a little more density, like a little more thickness, I mean, to do that method. This hair's starting to look a little kinky right now. I use this wax stick by Edge Booster, and that helps smooth it out a little bit more. I like baby hair, but I don't like a lot of baby hair. So I'm going to take like that much out. And some sideburn, but not a whole lot. I'm going to take that much out, clamp it away. Okay, I'm going to clamp it away. I was going to razor comb it, but I don't know where my razor is. So, I know it's in here somewhere, but I don't know where it's at. I'm going to take these pieces and go and just razor it, since I don't know where my razor comb is. So I'm just going to razor those pieces. And my sideburn, I don't like a whole lot going on. And then I'm going to take my mousse. All I ever wanted was you to just work for us. You know I don't ask for much. I don't ask for bags and shoes, all that silly stuff. You applied and got the job, now you don't work enough. How you want benefits with no effort? I don't know what to do, it's a catch-22. And I'm so sick of being the aggressor. You don't wanna try, you don't wanna fight. What you singing?
A song from a show called The Greatest Show. I mean, it's not The Greatest Show. I think it's a movie or something, but it doesn't
He sings and then he just walk out like, drops mic. Who does that? My child. I don't know how this swoop should go when you have a side part. Like, I forget. Should the swoop go like this? I know I need one right here. Put a little bit of baby hairs. I don't want a whole lot. I'm gonna go wet the hair and brush it out, and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like and then show you the spray technique. Okay guys, so I did this technique already. I'm sorry, I thought I was filming and I wasn't. But what I did was I took the end of my edge brush and I took my high beam spray. This is in the color brown black. It's important. If you have black hair, use just black. But I have brown hair, so I took my brush here and I just sprayed it, and that makes the part neater. That makes you have a neater part. So that's the technique that I do to give myself a neater part. But I'm done, you guys. I can put it in a ponytail. I can put it in a bun. I can put it in a bun. I got my edges back. I got my edges back. But I'm done, y'all. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want to see anything else, please comment below what else you guys would want to see. I don't know what you guys want, and I don't know if you're feeling me unless you like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.